Eliot Ness was untouchable. He brought down Al Capone. He became a legend. Then Cleveland broke him. Between 1935 and 1938, someone was dismembering people and scattering their body parts across the city. At least 13 victims. Most were never even identified. Ness ran the investigation personally, and for 3 years, he got nowhere. The killer was methodical, careful, always one step ahead. In desperation, Ness ordered an entire shantytown burned to the ground, hoping to flush the killer out. It didn't work. It just turned the city against him. He eventually arrested a man named Francis Sweeney, a doctor he was privately certain was responsible. But he had no case, no evidence that would hold. Sweeney died without ever being charged. The murders stopped, but no one ever knew why. Ness spent the rest of his life trying to outrun that failure. The man who took down the most powerful gangster in America couldn't catch one killer. He died in 1957, largely broke, still haunted by Cleveland.